This is a research flight, suborbital by Blue Origin. So they fly the new Shepard rocket that they fly, the suborbital astronauts on. And every once in a while, they still fly research flights. And so we, through a NASA program, the NASA Flight Opportunities Program, we obtained a spot on this research flight to put our payload. And the payload basically levitates a cloud of dust and is able to keep it in place without ever touching it for a long time. So in this flight specifically, we are demonstrating the technology, and our hope would be in the future to run astrophysical experiments to measure the interaction of light with clouds of dust that are homogeneous, and that would inform a lot of, for example, the JWST data that is coming in, because in the IR, in the infrared, specifically, large grains of dust interact with light. And so that's what we're looking at. We're creating an artificial cloud of dust, and this is a technology in itself. So that's a technology we're testing on the flight. We have to run this under microgravity conditions, otherwise the dust would sort itself by weight. It would basically not stay in place because of Earth's gravity. But once you're in microgravity, you get a chance to actually levitate a homogeneous cloud of dust. It has several applications. If you are able to levitate clouds of dust, so there's applications for atmospheric research, astrophysics research, and the one I haven't mentioned yet is also planetary research. For example, in rings, you have this type of environments where you have several particles interacting homogeneously, but also formation, early stages of planet formation, when the star forms and around the star there's still the gas and dust. That's where the planets will form later, and in these early stages it's really just clouds of dust interacting and the dust colliding, growing. I'm interested in using this technology for research down the line. So this technology was developed as part of the scientific community understanding, okay, we need an undisturbed clouds of dust so that we can do this research to understand how the dust behaves when it's really untouched. So I'm excited to down the line use this technology for actual research. And then number two, I think it's very exciting also to see the students have the opportunity to work on actual hardware and the solutions they come up with, and just the contribution that they make, and the contribution that the project makes to their education. I think that's a great motivation as well.